Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Raza and I am SS English at Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. You all are welcome. I hope you all will fine. Today we are going to learn dialogue writing. Dialogue is actually a conversation between two persons. Here in the picture, you can see a doctor is prescribing medicines to the patient and patient is asking about his health. This is dialogue. Whenever you go to market to buy something, you ask about different things from shopkeeper and shopkeeper replies you about your question. That is also a dialogue. Objectives of our lesson. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to define dialogue, explain the ways for developing ideas for dialogue, form questions that can be used in development of dialogue, and write a dialogue on given topic. So, what is a dialogue? Dialogue is a written or spoken conversational exchange between two about any topic. Basically, dialogue is a conversation or discussion about any topic between the two or more than two people. The word dialogue is derived from the Greek words dia and logos. Dia means through and logos means words. So dialogue means through words. It basically used to create interest in the story, give balance to story and eliminate boredom created by long descriptive paragraphs, tell how the characters react to different situations such as pressure, hate, love or fear. Now we are going to watch a short clip that will explain you what is a dialogue.
Hello, Jennifer. How's it going?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine. Where are you off to?
To the library. I've got a history exam next week and need to start studying.
Well, I'll see you later then. Good luck.
Thank you. See you later.
I hope you might have understood what is the dialogue. Let's get started from the techniques to write a dialogue. Dialogue should have a proper beginning. For example, we should have to start our dialogue from salutation. For example, hi, how are you? And in reply, the person says, hello, I'm fine, and you? This is called salutation. Dialogue must be written in simple English. We don't have to use difficult language or words in a dialogue. It must use simple, lifelike language. Like, I was a guest, so instead of it, we shall use I was terrified. Contraction should be used in dialogue writing. Instead of using expanded versions of verb, we should use contractions. Instead of writing I am, we can write I am. You can see we have skipped A by apostrophe, and this is called contraction. Was not become wasn't, and have not becomes haven't. It also needs to use punctuation marks. A good dialogue must be punctuated, and punctuation conveys ideas more clearly. For example, the use of comma, use of full stop, question mark, and of course exclamation mark. A good dialogue must have proper end. It shouldn't be end up abruptly. There should be a proper sign off. For example, Ali says, "All right, I shall see you tomorrow. Bye." And Arif replies, "Okay, bye. See you tomorrow." Now students, it's time to write a dialogue between two friends about the importance of discipline in school. First of all, we have to learn what is discipline. Discipline actually refers to the rules and strategies applied in life to manage behavior and practices used to encourage self-discipline. Basically, discipline is the name of following rules and regulation to live a smooth life. Students, now we have to make a situation. First of all, in this situation, Aslam and Akram are friends. During break time in school, they get a chance to meet each other and discuss about importance of discipline in school. Aslam starts, "Hello Akram, how are you?" And Akram replies, "I'm fine, what about you?" Aslam replies, "I'm fine too, but I am in a great trouble." Akram replies, "I'm sorry for that. Can I be any help of you?" Again Aslam replies, "You know, I missed many of my classes, and..." Now students, you can see I have left a blank in front of you, and under the blank there is a word bank. You have to use these words to complete this sentence. Going towards the next page. Here you can also see some incomplete sentences. Each sentence contains a blank. Now you have to use the words given in the word bank and use them to complete these sentences. Use these words to complete the dialogue. Going towards the next slide. Here we have some other sentences that are incomplete. You people have to complete these sentences with the help of given word bank. I hope this word bank will be proved a great help for you. Now it's time to recapitulate our lesson. First of all, we have learned what is dialogue. Basically, it is a conversation between the two persons. Then we learned techniques. Basically, there were different techniques to write dialogue. Next, we have completed our dialogue with the help of word bank. At the end, we have written the dialogue on the given topic. Now it's time to give you homework. So students, you just have to complete the dialogue between two friends about the importance of discipline in school with the help of given word bank and write on your classwork notebook. Thank you very much.